Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Snake Wrangler, back in the game. This video is not about snakes. Unfortunately, this is about my honest review of my helmet. Two helmets that I have: Studs Thunder and Exor Apex 1MS. So let's not waste time. I hope you like the video, and yeah, let's get started. So talking about my first helmet that I had, it was a Vega Crux helmet, which I sold out a few time back because it gave me some problems with the front opening thing. I'll come back. Front opening. It was a modular type of helmet which opened from the front, and that same thing gave me some problem because the rivets got loosened after daily use, and I had to sell it out, unfortunately. So coming back to my second helmet, this is a Studs Thunder, which I bought in November or December, I guess, when I went on the Sinhagad ride. So this is how it looks. It weighs nearly, I don't know how much, I would guess 1.2 kgs or something. Yeah, 1.2 kgs. It is dual lock. It has dual lock visor. This is 1 and 2 dual level lock visor. The chin ventilation vent and 2 skull air vents. This is the exhaust vent. Oh yeah, these are the reflectors which I put on the helmet to add more extra safety while I'll be riding in the night, as these will increase the brightness, or they will glow in the dark when the flashlight what we can say, charges on them, or flashlight flashes on them. They glow, and a fellow rider or whoever is behind me, they will get alerted that someone is riding in front of them and they should slow down their speed. And one more important thing I'll show you. This, every helmet should have this, your blood group and this sticker. It says, in case of accident, do not remove the helmet unless you're a doctor or medical assist, because unfortunately if you meet with an accident, I pray to God no one meets with an accident, everybody be safe, but unfortunately if such thing happens and your helmet has this kind of sticker, the people or the whoever will come over to help you, they will get an idea that you are a professional rider, or they should not touch the helmet. Because when you fall, means for example, if you will fall from the bike on the head, means on this part like this or this, the skull will get protected, but some scratches or some bruises will occur on your face. And if the helmet is not taken out properly or not removed very carefully, it might damage some of your internal parts like the ears, the back, the neck, your jawline, your behind side of the head, or maybe your spinal cord. So let me show you how this helmet looks when I wear it on. I have to remove the glasses. This is a head cap from Vega. Good thing to wear if you wear helmets. It will keep your hair set, and I'll show you. Let me not just speak, I'll just show you. So this is how the head cap looks. Yeah, this way. So it will keep your ears intact at the back like this, or you might also it will just leave it hanging around, or just adjust it like this. It will stay intact. and then you can wear the helmet. Basically this is a clip-on helmet which is not very good for safety if you fall with on high speed or meet with an accident at high speed above 150 200 kilometers per hour. So but it will help you with good safety under 100 kilometers an hour. So with the clips on, you can adjust it. I'll set it according to my comfort. Yeah. So this is how the helmet looks. These two vents means if the visor is closed, the airflow through this gap and comes inside and keeps your face cold while hot ridings. And if you will see over here the slot for specs, just like this. Or you can also wear it inside the cap, which I prefer most. So this is not a snug fit helmet, this is XL sized helmet. The second one which I have, the Exor Venomous, that is a snug fit because it has double padding. This has a single padding, gold padding, nice and comfortable. So let me take it off. Now you will see my hair are intact, my hair are still in shape. There is a technique to remove this cap also. Just pull it backwards. See, as you can see, my hair are still set, pretty good looking, handsome. So this is a single padding helmet, good padding. It can resist you up to 80 kilometers to 100 kilometers an hour top speed with no wind sound. And according to the ISI mark, the ISI mark is given to the helmets that can be very useful, be very safe for a top speed of 80 to 100 kilometers an hour. More details about that in the next video I will be making, or I'll tell you one interesting thing that I'll be doing this weekend with a very special guest. And I would like to say one thing: don't make a mistake of removing your chin guard. If you will remove your chin guard, more air will flow through the bottom and it will make more noise. If you motovlog, you will understand. If more air passes through your helmet to the bottom side of your helmet, more and wind noise will be created, and therefore less voice. Means if you motovlog, less voice or very low voice will be recorded. So moving on to my second helmet, my most important and my most favorite helmet till now. Just a second. Yeah. So this is a Exor Apex Venomous helmet. So as you guys know, I am a snake wrangler, a snake rescuer. So the graphics match appropriately, very appropriately with my work. So this comes with a nice spoiler, aerodynamic, as you can see, same blood group and stickers of the accident notice. And it also has 3 vents, the chin vent and 2 skull vents, 1 and 2 right above the eye. this, the cool graphics, as you can see, the tongue, the fangs, and if you will notice the eyes from the back, the fangs, exor venomous, DOT and ECE approved. Means this is a double XL helmet, sizing 63 to 64 centimeters and weighs up to 1.5 kilograms. Very heavy helmet, very heavy. One second, I'll remove this. I'll talk about it, but few minutes later. So yeah, so DOT and ECE approved, DOT and ECE certified helmet. So this is a main point now. Let the helmet be here. DOT and ECE means, DOT is a certification which is given in America. Means if you ride in America, your helmet must have a DOT certification badge, and if you ride in Europe like England, London, then your helmet should have the ECE certification. The certification are also of many types, like ISI, the lowest, DOT, ECE, International, the highest, and one more, the Snell certification is given to very less helmets like AGV, Shoei, Shark, Arai. Means basically which helmets that are used in MotoGP racing, bike racing, and the highest certification in the world. Means if you crash at a speed of 300 plus kilometers per hour, the helmet will save you. You will get up like nothing has happened. Just imagine crashing at the speed of 302, 303 kilometers per hour. So this helmet of the certification DOT and ECE, I can take it to Europe as well as America with no tension, just a second, no tension of getting caught by the cops or anything. This, if I crash, this helmet will save me at approximately near 200 to 220 kilometers per hour. Means even if I crash at 210, 215, this helmet will save my head, this precious thing, from the crash. So let's not waste time and see how it looks when I wear it on. Again, glasses removed, wore the head cap the same way. More interesting, this has a double visor which can be controlled from here, like up and down, and the main visor over here, this has an anti-fog sheet which comes default with default manufacturing. With default manufacturing means the company provides you visor with the anti-fog sheet with directly, means without asking or without you paying any extra rupee for it. And if in other brands like the MT and many other brands, AGV, MT, if you buy a low costing helmet like around 3000, 4000, means in the MT series I am saying, they will not give you the anti-fog shield with and if you want an anti-fog shield visor, they will charge you more around like 2000 to 2300 rupees extra for the anti-fog shield, and you get this anti-fog shield pre-installed in the helmet for just 5000 rupees. So imagine buying a helmet for 16,000, 17,000 and paying extra more 2,000 for the anti-fog shield and getting the same thing in just 5,000. Just imagine. So I would recommend whoever is trying to buy a helmet now and whose budget is more like around 5,000 to 6,000, I will tell you, go for the Exor helmets. Exor helmets, best and best. I bought it in February this year, and it's been around 3 months. February, March, April, May, 3 months, and I am using this helmet. Has not given me a single problem till now. And yeah, chin guard, double padding, and most importantly the double D ring safety system. As you'll see, the double D ring safety system, one of the world's best safety systems, best locking systems, will not fall off. There is an estimation that this double D ring clip or the double D ring strap can hold a pressure up to 600 kgs. Means this will loosen the stitches, means like the stitches of this thing, double D ring straps, will start to come out at 600 kilograms pressure, and this will completely break out at 800 to 900 kilograms. A good thing, a good safety thing. So let me show you how it looks on my face. So this is how it looks. The second visor, this is the nose guard, which will protect you from the sand, dust, if you'll open the first visor and only keep the sun visor on. This has 4 vents over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and same at the top, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you'll see, as it is a little bit hard, there is a slot over here for the specs. This is a great thing Exor has done, and I will remove the helmet now. Yeah, a great helmet, a great choice. It's long. So yeah, so one more thing, accessories. This is a Bluetooth intercom system by Exor. It is named Exor XCOM. So this is the box. It costs around 6,200 rupees. I will mention the details of the store where I bought the helmet, the Exor intercom system. So this is how it fits. This is the wire, and here you go. No need to buy the AGV, no, not the AGV, means the Sena or such kind of expensive or high class Bluetooth intercom system. Under 6,000 you will get the nice system, nice Bluetooth intercom, which will this has a playback time of 8 hours, range of 400 meters, and standby time of 240 hours. So it's a good thing to be invested in, nice thing. And yeah, this is all about the helmets I have for now. Maybe I'll buy a new AGV helmet in future, means in coming few years, means 2 to 3 years. Means I'll be using these two helmets for 2 years and then selling my studs helmet next year or so, because 2 helmets are more than enough. Means this is a good commuting long ride helmet. This helmet can be used for long ride as well as commuting, but yeah, but you want something for speed, more aerodynamic. So I am thinking of buying an AGV helmet soon, means in the coming few years. And yeah, this is all for the day. And one more thing, this Saturday I will be going live with Rajdeep Sethi, the owner and CEO of the Planet Helmet showroom, from where I bought my Exor helmet and the Exor XCOM intercom system. I will leave the description in the link for the Instagram account of Rajdeep Bhaiya and Planet Helmet official website and official Instagram page. So do follow them. Follow me on Instagram at @Mr. Snake Wrangler. Subscribe to my channel Sarpamitra Siddha Yadav. Like, comment and share your thoughts. And last but not the least, enjoy your day. Stay safe. Stay blessed as always. Stay home. Signing off. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.